Are you looking to receive USDT or other TRC-20 tokens on Binance but not sure how to copy your wallet address? In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to find and copy your TRC wallet address on Binance safely and correctly. So even if you're transferring funds or money or crypto from another exchange or crypto wallet like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, SafePal, and the rest of them, or a friend wants to send tokens to you, this guide will help you avoid costly mistakes. So let's get started. So here is the interface of my wallet. That is the Binance Web3 wallet. So right here in the asset section, okay? You tap on it, then it's going to load up the next page. Alright, it's going to load up this, and kindly ensure that your network is very stable while you're doing this, okay? Now what you have to do next now is to click on this manage tokens. So afterwards, after clicking on this asset section, it's going to load up all of this. If you scroll down, it's going to load up all of these wallets. You can see all of these wallets here that are right here. These are all the various wallets. Okay, so now since we want to copy the ERC, the TRC-20 address, that is the Tron wallet under Tron ecosystem, we are going to look for USDT right here. Now this is USDT right at the bottom, but in case you don't find USDT right there, you can always search for the various tokens right here. Any token you don't find right here in this dashboard, always click on manage tokens and then search for the list of tokens right here. They are going to be displayed right here for you to select from. Okay, now all of these one are showing toggled on. Okay, now if you see this yellow toggled on to the right, it means this one here is showing in the dashboard. All right, and this one is showing, Celo is also showing in the dashboard, and then Ethereum is also showing in the dashboard. But in case I toggle any of them to the left, it means it is not going to be showing in the dashboard again. All right, so let's scroll down. For the sake of this video, we'll be making use of the USDT ERC-20. So I recently toggled it on. That is why I can see it's displaying. That's why it displayed in the dashboard. But if I toggle it off, it's not going to be displaying again. All right, it's not going to be displaying again. Now this multi-chain that you are seeing here means that there are different chains in this USDT. There are different networks in this USDT. All right, that is why you are seeing multi-chains. It means a lot of networks are right in this, are currently present in this USDT that you can use. Okay, like the ERC, the Celo, the Solana network, all under the USDT. All right, so now let's toggle it on. It's already toggled on, so let's go back, and you can see that it will show okay, let's scroll down. You can see that it has displayed right here. Okay, so you tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, since you want to copy the TRC wallet address, just look up. It's going to take us to this section. Okay, now your duty now is to look up right here. Have you seen? Just look at this top corner and shift it, draw it to the left. Draw it to the left until it reaches the TRC section, which is Tron. All right, so now you can see Tron right here. So you tap, you toggle it, you tap on it. All right, just tap on it. Okay, now I've tapped on it. You can see this yellow color right here sitting under this Tron section. It means that whatsoever you're copying right here is gonna be the USDT Tron address. All right, I hope this is clear enough. It's going to be the USDT Tron address. Had it been this yellow thing here sat on this cello section, it's going to be, that means that whatsoever address you are copying right here is going to be under the cello network. But since we want to copy the Tron network, which is a TRC-20 address, you just tap on it and toggle it on. Then after tapping on it, you now click right here in this receive section. All right, you click on the receive section. Okay, then it's going to load up the address for you to copy. So this is the address. Now you can now see this is the address. You can see Tron, the logo Tron, and you can see the USDT sign showing right here. It means that we are copying the Tron the Tron address under USDT. And so if you tap right here, you can copy it successfully. Now you can see that Binance recently removed the Tron network from the USDT section in the Binance Exchange. So anytime you want to copy the TRC-20 address, you have to always use the Binance Web3 wallet. All right, I hope this is clear enough. You should always use the Binance Web3 wallet when you want to copy the TRC-20 wallet address, because there are a whole lot of, there are hundreds of networks that are supported in the Web3 wallet here on Binance that you can't find in the exchange. All right, so always use the Web3 wallet to copy any of your address you want to be copying. All right, so I hope this video was very, very helpful enough to you. And if you have any question or whatsoever you don't understand, kindly leave it at the comments section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.